Welcome to Tube Hub. Today we explain how to create YouTube channel successfully. Please like, share, and subscribe channel. Let's go to video. Today we are going to talk about how to successfully create a new YouTube channel. Okay, first we need to go to YouTube. When you go to YouTube, there is a round icon like this in the top right corner. When you click on that icon, you will see your email at the top and a link called Create a Channel below. Click it. Okay, now you can add a channel name of your choice like this. Next, you need to add a handle name to this handle. This will help you find your channel quickly or tag your channel in comments or videos. Now you need to add a logo to this. I recommend you to add a logo that you have made. Okay, now I have rotated and cropped this, and now click on Done at the bottom. Now click Create Channel. Okay, now your channel is created like this, but you have some more settings to make. Now click on the icon of the channel at the top and click on your YouTube Studio at the bottom. Now you have a dashboard in YouTube Studio like this. Okay, now you click on the settings button at the bottom. And there is a button called Channel. There's a setting called Features, Eligibility in it. We need to enable that. So you need to verify your phone number for that. Now you need to click on the Verify Phone Number button at the bottom. Now select your country here and type your phone number. Next, a code like this will come to your phone via SMS. Type it here and submit. Now you will see your phone number verified like this. Okay, now you select your audience in the advanced settings at the top. I recommend you to select No, it's not made for kids. Okay, there is another one called Permission Settings. If you want to control who can do what on your YouTube channel or videos, you can add them by clicking the Invite button there. Now you can save these settings at the bottom. Now go to Customization and you can add a banner image under Banner. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. So that's how to create a YouTube channel in a very simple way. I hope you understood this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel.